Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create fake roaches. Yes, fake roaches. So first off, you need an empty container where you mix in your mold. So next up, you mix your type A and type B silicone, and here I'm using the gel 25, and the working time for gel 25 is 15 minutes. So I'm going to have a good mix and then pour it into my mold. Once that has cured, I'll gently take out my fake roach out of my mold. I'm going to demold it gently just so I don't ruin what we've done. So this is what we have. This is what we're gonna work with, but not to worry guys, we're gonna fix this. So you want to powder your fake roach just to remove the sticky feeling on it. You do this gently just so you don't make mistakes, and once you do that, you take your hot glue to make the fake antennas of the cockroach and the legs. So you want to be careful with the hot glue so you don't hurt yourself. So next up is the painting time. A skin illustrator and alcohol activated palette, just so the painting on the cockroach lasts, so it doesn't rub off, it doesn't clean, it doesn't smudge. So this skin illustrator palette is from SFX Smart. Go check them out on Instagram. So here's the finished work. I hope you learned one or two things. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll be posting more tutorials on DIYs, how to create so many things, makeup related. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section of something you love me to create. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.